Kolkata, the metro city and the business capital of eastern India, bustles with life, but just 150 kilometers away, there is a place called Nayagram, which is away from civilization. People here are mostly tribal, and their mainstay of life is forest produce, collecting sal leaves from jungle, making bamboo artifacts, making ropes and selling them in the market. Nayagram is in border areas of West Bengal and Odisha, and previously Maoists have thrived in these areas. It's one of the reasons why the state missionary are not so keen for its development. Some villages have not even pakka roads. Still, life goes on in these darkest corners. Anemia, malnutrition, and different communicable diseases like TB, malaria, NTDs are prevalent in these villages. National Association of Man for Mankind, NAM, in collaboration with the Hans Foundation, carry out mobile medical unit in 10 villages of the block. The dusty byroads and inlets are rough and bumpy, and our driver struggles to reach these villages. Dr. Manas and Dr. Sujog Naik carry out daily medical camps in the villages and treat 60 to 70 patients daily with special focus on maternal and child health.
Our main focus is on reproductive child health. Basically, we are providing the primary health treatment at the most remote area. Now we are introducing the point of care treatment at the site, because for any diagnosis we have to depend on the lab report up to maximum 7 days. But with the introduction of auto analyzer, we are diagnosing the cases at the sites.
Dr. Sujog Naik, our gynecologist, carry out regular ANC, PNC checkups in the community with the guideline of RMNCHA.
Patients comes to me, they are mainly belongs to the severe anemia, there is a antenatal checkup, the adolescent girls with some leukorrhea, the bleeding PV, abdominal uterine bleeding. Some of them have benign tumors like myoma, and we are tackling it, giving medications, and we are following up with every month. NAM is doing a very good job.
3 বছর বিয়ে হয়ে আমার বাচ্চা হয়নি, তারপরে নামাং সস্তার গাইনো ডাক্তার এসে আমি ওষুধ খেয়ে এখন গর্ভবতী আছি.
The local custom and habits of the people here sometimes results in neglecting maternal and child health. Jaba is a 19-year-old girl. Her father died when she was 12 years old. Her mother is a daily wage laborer. When Jaba came to us, she was underweight and suffering from adolescent infections. On testing, we found she had very low level of hemoglobin. Now she is healthy and wants to get education. We have touched many lives like Jaba.
Doctors are coming regularly to our camps and assessing patients, but still we are missing many patients, and that's why we have taken some new initiatives like diabetic screening camps, hypertension screening camps, anemia screening camps. We are doing it regularly in our project areas, and also we have taken some initiatives like mass deworming program. We are thinking to start also to screen TB and other entities in our areas.
Mr. Gauri Pradhanandi is the chairman of the Jilla Adivasi Samiti working for the tribal people. He is very happy that a mobile health unit is coming to the village to provide healthcare services to the villagers. He hopes that in future other villages will also get the same service. Dr. Balakrishna Panda, our chief mentor, with 37 years of experience in the field of public health, guides us in designing and implementing different innovative service delivery models in the community.
People are very happy with the services they are getting on behalf of the NAM. But at the same time, there are few untouched areas in the village left, like nutrition, sanitation, and I hope there is a scope we can address all of them together so that they can become empowered to take care of their own health. Further, these people, their satisfaction level is so much, this program should continue in this area. It is a very remote area without, basic services available. So this is the services provided by NAM is definitely a lifeline to the area. So this must also continue.
We have implemented point-of-care diagnostics like hemoglobinometer. It helps us in on-site diagnosis and treatment of anemia. We do periodic anemia screening, malnourished screening and mass deworming in all the villages.
এখানে আমি যাচ্ছি গ্রামে মানুষদের সঙ্গে মিটিং করছি মানে গর্ভবতী মহিলা যুবতী মেয়ে এবং শিশুদের তাদের সমস্যা আমরা জানছি এবং ট্রিটমেন্ট করাচ্ছি
Health workers visit regularly to the community council family members, educate them on various healthcare issues. They work together with due support from grassroots health workers like Asha Anganwadi workers.
বাচ্চাদেরকে এবং মায়েদেরকে টিকাকরণ সাহায্য করা হচ্ছে। নাম সংস্থা থেকে অ্যাম্বুলেন্স এসে ডাক্তারবাবু গর্ভবতী প্রসূতি মায়েদের যত্ন নেয়, ওষুধ দেয়, গর্ভবতী মহিলাদেরকে বাড়িতে যাতে না হয় ডেলিভারি তার জন্য সহযোগিতা করে হসপিটালে।
নামঞ্জ সংস্থা থেকে যে সুযোগ সুবিধা মানে পরিষেবাগুলো পাওয়া যাচ্ছে গর্ভবতী প্রসূতি ছোট ছোট বাচ্চাদের ভিটামিন থেকে সব কিছু দেওয়া হয়।
We have a great team of doctors, paramedical staffs and other support staffs. All are committed to solve the underserved. Our first priority is to provide best quality and affordable healthcare. We always identify problems and troubleshoot with best possible solutions. Introducing point-of-care diagnostics like ECG kit, hemoglobin meter, urine analyzer will definitely add greater impact to this project.
वेस्ट बंगाल का मेदिनीपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट सबसे बैकवर्ड एरिया है जहाँ पर कि आदिवासी लोग रहता है। मदर चाइल्ड का बहुत सारा स्वास्थ्य का समस्या था। 3 एक्टिविटी को लेकर प्रोजेक्ट को सक्सेस किए। एक गांव को एम्बुलेंस किया, उसका साथ डॉक्टर, नर्स और फार्मासिस्ट, मेडिसिन का साथ साथ उसको फ्री ट्रीटमेंट भी मिला। जो हम लोग का कम्युनिटी लेवल में जो हेल्थ वर्कर है जो वल्नरेबल मैपिंग किया, एक्चुअली जो सोशल एक्सक्लूडेड कम्युनिटी है उसको कैसे फ़ायदा मिलेगा। तीसरा बात है कि गवर्नमेंट का जो आंगनबाड़ी है, आशा है और जो ANM सब सेंटर है उसका साथ रिलेशनशिप बिल्डअप किए। ये तीनों एक्टिविटी को लेकर हम लोग शुरू किए थे और बहुत सारा फ़ायदा मिला।